morning, student. Welcome to e-learning classes. Myself Ashok Kumar, Modern English School, New Area branch. Again, student, lesson 8, triangle, exercise 8. This is video lecture part 5. Here, student, question number 12. Question number 12 and 13. Both are almost same, student. But here the question number 12 is, if each angle of a triangle is less than the sum of other two, so that the triangle is acute triangle. Here, student, if each angle of a triangle is less than the sum of other two, that means angle A is less than angle B plus angle C. This is the first condition. The second condition is angle B is less than angle A plus angle C. This is the second condition. And the third condition is angle C is less than angle A plus angle B. Here, student, in a question not given A is less than B and C, B is less than A and C is less than A and B. If each angle is less than 90 degree, then it is called a acute angle. That means 3 angle is less than 90 degree, then it is called a acute angle. So here, student, we have to take 3 different conditions. Here A condition, this is the B condition, and this is the C condition. Okay. In this scenario, student, angle A plus angle A, that means angle A is adding in both sides. So angle A plus angle A is less than angle A plus angle B plus angle C. Angle A plus angle A is equal to 2 times of angle A is less than angle A plus angle B plus angle C. We know that 180 degree by ASP, angle sum property. So angle A is less than 180 divided by 2, that means 90 degree. So here we can write angle A is less than 90 degree. This is the first case. Okay. The second case is angle B plus angle B is less than angle A plus angle B plus angle C. Here again, student, 2 times of angle B is less than 2 times of angle B is less than 180 degree. So angle B is less than 180 divided by 2, 90 degree. So angle B is also less than 90 degree. 2 conditions exist here. Angle A is less than 90 degree, that means acute. Angle B is less than 90 degree, acute. And the third condition is again adding both sides angle C. Angle C plus angle C is less than angle A plus angle B plus angle C. 2 times of angle C is less than 180 degree. So here angle C is less than 180 divided by 2, cut down 90 degree. So angle C is less than 90 degree. Okay, student, this is the question number 12. But in question number 13, in this lesson, question number 13, if each angle of a triangle is greater than the sum of other two, in this case only one condition exists here. Angle A is greater than angle B plus angle C, then so that the triangle is obtuse. In an obtuse case, only one angle is more than 90 degree. So here, student, question number 13, take only one case, either A case, या B case, या C case. Okay, student, I hope, student, question number 12 and 13 both are complete. The next question is, here, student, question number 16. There are 6 questions in a question number 16, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, here I have taken 3 questions, question number 2, question number 3 and question number 5. In each question, student, 1 to 6, in each question, find the value of x. You will use your logic, your concept, whatever the concept you know. You have to use just your concept, okay? Here, question number 2, student. In this figure, find the value of x. In this figure, find the value of x. Okay? Look at here, student. This angle is 40 degree. This angle is 30 degree. So in triangle ABC, this angle is 40 degree. This angle is 30 degree. By the sum of external angle, this angle is 70 degree. Because we know that the external angle is equal to sum of two opposite internal angle. The 30 degree plus 40 degree is equal to 70 degree. This angle is 70 degree. Again, student, in triangle ECD, this x is the external angle. So x is equal to, external angle is equal to the sum of two opposite internal angle. So 70 plus 50 is equal to 120. Here the value of x is equal to 120 degree. This is your final answer. Okay, student. Again, look at here. The external angle is equal to sum of two opposite internal angle. 40 degree plus 30 degree is equal to 70 degree. In triangle ECD, here two triangle ABC and ECD. Here 70 degree plus 50 degree is equal to the sum of two opposite internal angle. The sum of internal angle is equal to opposite external angle. The sum of internal angle is equal to external angle. So 70 plus 50 is equal to 120 degree. So by this process you can solve this question. Okay. Here question number 3. AB is parallel to CD. This condition is given here. Look at the book, student. This concept is given here. AB is parallel to CD. That means this line is parallel to this line. Look at here. This is the figure of Z. This is the figure of Z. 60 degree. So this angle is also 60 degree by alternate interior angle. Because this angle is 60 degree, so this angle is also 60 degree. 60 degree by the property alternate interior angle. Here 60 degree and 45 degree. ECD, in triangle ECD, the sum of all angle is 180 degree. So this angle is 60 degree, this angle is 45 degree. So this angle is equal to, so this angle is equal to 75 degree. Because these two angles are 105 degree. So 180 minus 105 is equal to 75. Here the value of x is equal to 75. This is the question number 3. The last question is a student, question number 5. This figure is given. Find the value of x. This x. Here is given. Find the value of x. All informations are given here. Look at here. This angle is 90 degree. This angle is 90 degree and this angle is 40 degree. In triangle ABC, again student, in triangle ABC, the sum of all angle is 180 degree. So 90 plus 40. 90 plus 40 is equal to 130. So 180 minus 130, that means this angle is equal to 50 degree. By the property of triangle ASP, angle sum property, the angle sum property, this angle is 50 degree. Again a student, EBC, EBG, suppose this angle, this point is G, EBG, in triangle EBG, the sum of three angle is 180 degree, this angle is 100 degree, this angle is 50 degree, so we can say this angle is equal to 30 degree, because 100 plus 50 is equal to 150, 180 minus 150 is equal to 30 degree. So student, don't make this process, use all concept, respect by respect, then solve it. Okay, step by step, each and every process and solve it. But the method is same, but the logic is same, but the process is same. Okay student, the next question is, here question number 19. In the given figure, AD divides angle BAC. This line divides angle BAC. That means this line divides this angle and this angle. In ratio 1:3. Here student, let the ratio be x and 3x, because 1x means x and 3 into x is equal to 3x. Let the ratio be x and 3x, x and 3x. Okay, let the ratio be x and 3x, and AD is equal to BD. AD is equal to BD. So student, if two sides are equal, then the opposite angles are also equal. In a isosceles triangle, if two sides are equal, then the opposite angle of respective corresponding sides are corresponding angles are also equal. So if this side is equal to this side, so we can say this angle is equal to this angle. That means this angle is x, so this angle is also x. Here x plus 3x, x plus 3x plus 108 is equal to 180 degree by LP. By linear pair, the sum of three angles is 180 degree. So 3x plus x, 4x is equal to 180 minus 108. So we can write here 72 degree. So x is equal to 72 divided by 4. 8. So x is equal to 18 degree. So here x is equal to 18 degree. That means this value is equal to 18. So here student, this value is equal to 18, or here is the 3 into x. That means this value is equal to 54 degree, because 18 into 3 is equal to 54 degree. So determine the value of x. Determine the value of x. Student, determine the value of x, this angle. So in triangle ABC. So here student, in triangle ABC, this whole angle is 54 plus 18 is equal to 72. So we can write here 72 plus this angle is 18, 72 plus 18 plus this value is equal to x. 2 plus 18 plus this value is equal to x is equal to 180 degree by ASP, by angle sum property. So 18 plus 72 is equal to 90 degree plus x is equal to 180 degree. So here x is equal to 180 minus 90. So finally, student, x is equal to 90 degree. This is your final answer. So again, student, here determine the value of x. Determine the value of x, this value, and this x value is equal to 90 degree. Okay, student. So today homework is, student, make exercise 8. Make exercise 8 question number 11. Make exercise 8 question number 11 to 20. This question is 19, student. So make exercise 8 question number 11 to 20. Okay. If you have any query, if you have any doubt, ask the question. Okay, thank you.